Okay, so today's lesson is 1.2 notes, exponents. So here's your vocabulary words. A power is a number produced by raising a base to an exponent. Exponent is a number that indicates how many times the base is used as a factor. Base is when a number is raised to a power, the number that is used as a factor is the base. Okay, so this is the direction you're going to find in your classwork and homework. It says label and read the following powers. So looking at number 1, you're going to label it first. So here, the 2 is your base, and your 4 is your exponent. So what your vocabulary word is telling you is that the exponent is going to tell you how many times to write the base. So here, and the way you would read it is this: 2 to the 4th power. Okay, try number 2 on your own. Label it and then write how you would read it. When you're ready, go ahead and push play. So this would be base, this would be exponent, and the way you would read this would be 23 to the 1st power. So here's the directions that you'll find in your classwork and homework. Find each value. So step 1 is exponents tell you how many times to write the base. So here, exponent tells you how many times to write the base. So this 4 tells that you have to write the 2 4 times. So it would be 2 times 2 times 2. Here, how many times do you write the 23? Once, because the exponent tells you only one time. Step 2 is to multiply the base numbers to find the value. So let's look at number 3, example 3. So the exponent, this is the 2, tells you how many times to write the base. So this is telling you to write the 5 twice. 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. And that's your answer, is 25. I do not want to see you write 2 times 5, which is 10. That is incorrect. You do not write that. Okay, look at number 4. Try that one on your own. When you're ready, go ahead and push play. All right, so you should have written 2 6 times. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, some of you guys might have done it as 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64. Do you notice that each time I said that to myself, I kept moving the pen along so that I would remember which numbers I've used? Or here's another way you could have done it. Making your carets for every 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. In between those is multiplication. So now you have 4 times 4 is 16 times 4, because that's left over. And 16 times 4 is 64. Those are that is 2 ways that you could have done this problem. If you know other ways, that's fine, as long as you get the answer of 64. Looking at 5 and 6. Okay, 5, 45, and you have the exponent 1. You only have to write 45 once, so this answer is 45. 2 to the 0 power, or 12 to the 0 power. Some of you guys might think the answer is 0. Some of you guys might think the answer is 12. And that is incorrect. Anytime you have a power of 0, it is always going to equal 1. So here in your notes, you're going to write, for your information, any number raised to the 0 power always equals 1. So if I have 138 to the 0 power, doesn't matter, it's always going to equal 1.